Currently sorting out the goodie bags for my makeup masterclass that is happening. In the bags we have an eyebrow pencil, a lip gloss, a brush, 3 blending brushes, mascara, primer, eyeshadow palette, blush palette, as well as a mini beauty blender. This is the before setup. There's a lot going on.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See,
I need to fix my hair, getting ready for the masterclass. Wish me luck.
I really appreciate it, and I hope we are going to have a lot of fun. First off, I just want to say thank you to the people. I want to say thank you to Joe Public for sponsoring the starter kits. I want to say thank you to my friends and family who are absent, who also sponsored the food platters as well as the drinks. I want to say thank you to Kiwi Creations, who's here today. I also want to say thank you to Khalifah Productions, who's going to be doing the photography and videography. If you do not want to be on camera, please do let me know. I know already of 2 individuals who said they don't want to be on camera. You can just come to me personally and let me know. So just an introduction. So Kimi's Creation is something that I started in 2021. And at that time, it was still during COVID. And I had just recently gotten married. We just had our second born, and I got retrenched in the process. So I was at home, and I didn't know. So I want you to look into the mirror. If you do want to take a picture or a video while you're doing it, just as memory, just as a reminder, to remind yourself of some of the affirmations that you're doing. That's also great. So we can start.
Strong and resilient.
I am strong and resilient.
I stand in my power.
I stand in my power.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I shine my light courageously.
I shine my light courageously.
I am worthy of everything that I desire.
I am worthy of everything I desire.
I vow to treat myself with the same kindness I show others.
I vow to treat myself with the same kindness I show others.
I am making progress every day.
I am making progress every day,
Even if I may not understand.
even if I may not understand.
I will show myself love.
I will show myself love
By thinking thoughts that feel good.
by thinking thoughts that feel good.
And then you're going to just like say your name and say, for example, Kileto, I love you.
Thato, I love you. Is that Tati?
Alright, ladies.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friend. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friend. Go! Go, go, go. Bitch, I'm G to the L to the O, big glow. You can catch me at a trap, tennis slime with your hoes. I ain't popping out at party, gotta book me for a show. He say, yeah, be living fast, nah, pussy boy, you slow. Ayy, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means she scared, right? I be put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night.
I'm worthy of everything that I desire.
I'm worthy of everything that I desire.
I vow to treat myself with the same kindness I show others.
I vow to treat myself with the same kindness I show others.
I didn't think I'd be able to do this. It's been quite stressful. It's been so hectic, but you guys really showed up. I mean, sold out in 4 hours.
She say she can't come outside today, that means she scared, right? I be put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night. Bragging on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyway, life's great, pussy still good, still